Hey y'all, come on in. Today, hubby vlogs. Today I thought I'd let my husband vlog. Here's what he shot. Tugboats are my husband's thing. He worked on the Mississippi River on tugboats for over 20 years. This is the Taco Toddy, the tug my husband worked on. To see what happened to it, stay tuned to the end. Okay, so I muted all of the original audio. Chris isn't comfortable, so he didn't do any narration. But I will be giving him instructions on how to vlog a little better. there were 2 pirate ships, and at the beginning of the gangway, it said they were doing free tours. Well, we got there, and they weren't doing free tours because the owners live on the boats. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know. And don't forget, I owe you bonus photos. Trigger warning. Images contain fire. Remember the image of the taco toddy from earlier? In 2011, while my husband, his deckhand, and their captain were working on a job, the boat caught fire. They were able to step onto the barges and get away from the flames. No one was injured, but they were pretty shook up about the whole incident. They never learned what caused the fire. Here they are salvaging the tugboat. Typically, sunken boats are just left to rot at the bottom of the river. Give this video a thumbs up and a comment if you want to see my husband do more vlogging. Again, thanks for watching. You know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know. And we'll see you in our next video.